Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. For this episode, our lesson is about interior and exterior angles of a triangle. Polygons are made up of triangles. In this episode, I will be explaining the property of the interior angles and exterior angles of one of the most basic shapes, that is triangle. I just mentioned that polygons are made up of triangles. In our previous episode, we already studied the concept about diagonals. By drawing diagonals in a polygon, we can create triangles. Okay, let's draw diagonals in these polygons to create triangles. Let's start with this polygon. By drawing this diagonal, then we created two triangles. Okay, what about in this polygon? Draw diagonals and we created three triangles. Okay, moving on in this polygon. Okay, draw diagonals and we created four triangles. And lastly, in this polygon, draw diagonals and we created five triangles. Depending on the measures of the angles in these triangles can be acute triangle, obtuse triangle, or right triangles. These triangles are different, but the property of the interior angles and exterior angles remain the same. So what are these property of interior angles and exterior angles that are so important for us to understand? Okay, let's start with the property of the interior angles of a triangle. We have here a triangle and we will name this triangle as triangle ABC. Okay, this triangle has three interior angles. Okay, where are the three interior angles? This angle, this one, and this angle. The sum of the measures of the three interior angles of a triangle, is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, we had a topic about the sum of the measures of the three interior angles of a triangle in episode 18. And I showed that by folding a paper. Okay, this time, I will explain in another way why is the sum of the measures of the three interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, this way, we will use the concept of parallel lines. Okay, so we are going to draw a helping line that is parallel to this side or to this line. So if it's parallel to this side or to this line, then our helping line is this line. These two lines are parallel lines. Okay, now we will use the concept of alternate interior angles and corresponding angles to explain why is the sum of the measures of the three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay, first, let's represent this angle as angle star. Okay, this angle as angle heart, and this angle as angle square. Okay, this angle and this angle are alternate interior angles. Okay, alternate interior angles are equal in measure. So if this is angle star, then this is also angle star because these angles are equal. Okay, next would be this angle. This angle and this angle are also alternate interior angles. So if this is angle square, then this is also angle square. Okay, again, these three interior angles are equal to 180 degrees. Okay, take a look at this one. This is a straight line or straight angle. Straight angle measures 180 degrees. So, angle star plus angle heart plus angle square is equal to 180 degrees. So, in this way, I explain why is the sum of the measures of the three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay, moving on. What about the property of the exterior angles of a triangle? Okay, let's show an illustration for you to understand the property of the exterior angles of a triangle. Okay, in this figure, this is our exterior. Okay, this is our exterior angle. Okay, again, if it's exterior angle, okay, we just have to extend the side of the triangle. And if this is our interior angle, this is our exterior angle. Interior plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees. This is a straight angle, or this is a straight line. So this is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, now, the concept that you have to remember about the property of exterior angle is the exterior angle, this is equal to the sum of the two non-adjacent angles. Okay, where are the two non-adjacent angles? The two non-adjacent angles are this angle and this angle. So that means, let's say this angle is angle star and this is angle heart. So exterior angle or this angle is angle heart plus, okay, angle star, because this is the sum of the two non-adjacent angles. So that is the most important thing that you have to remember about exterior angle. That is the sum of the two non-adjacent angles. Okay, if you don't know the concept or the property of the exterior angle, okay, you can think or you can get the measure of the exterior angle, okay, by following the concept about parallel lines. So how will that be? Okay, we have to draw a helping line parallel to this line. So if it's parallel to this line, then helping line is this line. So these two lines are parallel. Okay, and then we will use the concept of corresponding angles and alternate interior angles. So this angle, okay, this angle and this angle are alternate interior angles. So if this is angle heart, then this is also angle heart because these angles are equal in measure. Okay, and then this angle and this angle are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal in measure. So if this is angle star, then this is also angle star. So to find the measure of this exterior angle, then angle heart, okay, plus angle star. Okay, but if you know the concept or the property of exterior angle, that is the sum of the two non-adjacent angles, then it would be easier for you to find the measure of this exterior angle. Okay, this time, okay, so in this figure, okay, angle ACD or this exterior angle is equal to angle A or this angle plus angle B. Okay, this time, let's answer this concept check question. So we are going to fill in the blank with the appropriate word or phrase. Okay, in triangle ABC, where's triangle ABC? This triangle. If angle DAC is equal to 75 degrees, DAC, so meaning this angle. This is equal to 75 degrees. And this angle is our exterior angle. Okay, again, if it's exterior angle, this is the sum of the two non-adjacent angles. So where are the two non-adjacent angles? This angle and this angle. So if angle DAC is equal to 75 degrees and angle B is equal to 35 degrees, then angle DAC, which is our exterior angle, is equal to angle B plus this angle, angle C. Okay, therefore, this angle or angle C is equal to angle DAC, our exterior angle, minus angle B. So that means 75 degrees minus 35 degrees. Then angle C or this angle is equal to 40 degrees. Okay, because exterior angle is equal to the two non-adjacent angles. So 35 plus 40, 75 degrees. So angle C is equal to 40 degrees. Okay, now let's answer this simple activity. We're going to find the measure of angle X in the following diagram. Okay, so where's angle X? This angle. And this is our exterior angle. Okay, we already know that to find the measure of exterior angle, this is the sum of the two non-adjacent angles. So where are the two non-adjacent angles? This angle and this angle. So this is 58 degrees, okay, plus 72 degrees. So that means our exterior angle is 58 plus 72, so that's equal to 130 degrees. So this is 130 degrees. Okay, or there's another way on how to find the measure of this exterior angle. Okay, we will use the concept of the sum of the sum of the interior angles of a triangle. Okay, we know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So to find this measure, 72 plus 58, okay, that is equal to 130 degrees. So 180 minus 130 degrees is equal to 50 degrees. So that means this is equal to 50 degrees. Okay, to find exterior angle, this is a straight angle. Okay, that means that's equal to 180 degrees. So 180 minus 50, then our exterior angle is 130 degrees.